Hey guys, it's Caleb. I want to welcome you back in this video. I'm going to be showing you how to set your auto high beams inside of your GMC Yukon Denali UItimate. Now this will also work for the Elevation AT4 Ultimate, or the Denali. Let's go ahead and flip this around and
now that I flipped this around, I've got the auto high beams on, as you can see by the auto with the beam. Now that's going to make it where the lights flash or turn on their brights when it gets dark enough. To turn it off, you're going to press this in, high beams turn on, and then you turn your high beams off by pressing it again. Now to fully turn it on, you push the high beams on, I should say, 2 times within 2 seconds. And now that they're on. And once again, to disable, you just push it out once, high beams are on, press it again, high beams are off.
It's kind of tricky, but as long as you do that quick 2 times, you'll be able to have your auto high beams on. I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll see y'all on the next one.